Hey Charmers, what is up? It is your friend Sophia here with you today, and we are going to be creating a summer look using some of the products in July's box. I'm very excited to see what's in store, so let's get started. So first things first, whenever I'm doing my makeup, skin is always really very important. So I'm going to start off with using the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Booster. Vitamin C is really great for brightening the skin. This also has watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. So I'm gonna go ahead and also a quick little tip, do not put the dropper on your face. We want to keep this as clean as possible. So I'm gonna put some on my clean hands. You don't want to rub dirty fingers all over our face. And then I'm going to pat and rub this vitamin C booster in. You also want to bring some down on your neck, you know, keep it looking young. We're gonna do some foundation next, but what's really interesting about what we're doing is using these sponges. So I'm using some Next Gen blender set sponges from the CREME shop, and I really love how chiseled it is. It is very soft and bouncy. So these sponges have been pre-moistened already, so they're ready to be used, and let's dive into some application. I always love putting my foundation on the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take the sponge, and we're going to use the butt of the sponge and dip it into the foundation, and we are going to go straight into application. The sponge feels really nice on the face. It is not hard whatsoever. It actually feels really nice. It's nice and soft, but it's not too soft. Is like the perfect consistency. And using a sponge to apply your foundation gives you that natural look. You're never gonna add too much. It gives you a good coverage. You can always build up the coverage using a sponge easily as well. So now that we have our foundation on and it is looking pretty flawless, it is time to go ahead and conceal and add some light to the face. So we're just gonna put some concealer right where I need it. Then I'm gonna take the sponge from CREME shop, and it has this cut out here. It's chiseled, and it is perfect for right underneath the eyes, and also kind of blends it down to right on top of your cheeks, which is really nice. The sponge is blending out the product on the face seamlessly. And I like the fact that it's not drying out so quickly. Some sponges, sometimes when you squeeze out the excess water, it dries out really fast. All right, so we have foundation on, we have concealer on. It is definitely time to add some contours to the face. You know, summer look, we want to be nice and bronzed kind of, and it's just going to be great. We are using the new BEAUTE palette, and this was in collaboration with BoxyCharm. Let's give you a look at the shades here. So what's wonderful is that this is going to be a very versatile palette. It's great for all skin tones. This is going to be fantastic. I'll definitely use this for fair, into like the medium and tan, and then deep. So I'm going to take this shade right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take a nice fluffy brush and put this right into the hollows to create that warmth. I want to look like I've been soaking up the sun and my skin has been sun-kissed and tanned a bit. That's the look we're going for. I'm also going to be taking the deepest shade just for a little bit more warmth. I'm going to keep this slightly more concentrated, but I'm placing it in the same spots. These powders are super pigmented, you guys. I used a little and I tapped off the excess, and I'm still getting a lot of color payoff, so that's always a plus. A little goes a long way. All right, so we're back, and we have already done this eye, and it's looking everything summer, beautiful, light, fresh. So let us get started with this eye. I'm taking the BEAUTE Bronzed in Paradise palette. I'm gonna take the second to darkest shade. I'm going to place this in my crease. I really do love using neutral shades for my crease. They always look very nice as transition shades. I know this is a face palette, but it's also very diverse because I'm able to use this on my eyes as well. We are using the deepest shade now to add some depth, also adding some warmth to this look. We're getting all of the warm, bronzy, summery vibes today. This is the Scattered Light Foil Eyeshadow from Hourglass. Do you see how magnificent this is? Absolutely beautiful. So I'm using my finger to apply this shade, and you're gonna see exactly why. I feel like it's gonna help minimize fallout, and brushes just don't apply like this for this kind of formula. So it's not like a loose shadow, it's like tightly packed, and the color payoff is mind-blowing. So I've decided not to go with any eyeliner. You know, I don't want a really defined eye for this look. I want to keep it nice, light, fun, and flirty, especially for summer. So I'm gonna do some mascara, and I'm gonna top things off with a nice light lifted lash. I just love the way lashes look. I'm a lash gal. So you want to coat your lashes, top and bottom. You can totally not. You can skip the lashes if you need to. If you're not feeling it, that is totally fine. But you do want to finish off your lashes with some mascara. Alright, so here we are with the look so far. I really love how everything is coming together, but we do need to put some color back into the face. So I am going to take some blush. I am taking a palette from BEAUTE, and it is Blushed in Paradise. I'll be taking the second to last shade here. It's a very nice pink, and I'm just going to put this all over my cheeks. Really excited to see this color. Tap off like this. I'm gonna go ahead and smile and put it on the apples of your cheeks, and I can already see the color coming on. I love that I'm able to build. I always start off with less so I can add more. So to wrap up this look, we haven't done lips yet, so we definitely need to do lips, and I'm going to be taking the ALAMAR Cosmetics. This is a new launched lip gloss called Birthday Suit. Now it's a very stunning pink. It has purple, gold, reflex in it. I'm really excited to get this on. This formula is to die for. It's not too sticky. I'm getting that nice sheen. This is the perfect gloss to finish off this look. It is slightly tinted, so there's not a lot of color. It is a sheer gloss. Lips are looking juicy. Alright Charmers, so here's the completed look. I have to say I am thoroughly happy, and I really did enjoy creating this look for you guys today. This is the perfect summer, bronzy, light and flirty look. Thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you Charmers next time. Bye you guys!